open up my curtains. Oh, it's a wonderful day outside, isn't it? Are we going to go to the studio today? Are you going to go run around?
So my name is Sivaan and I'm studying a Bachelor of Fine Arts and a Bachelor of Arts. I didn't come from high school because I didn't do very well in my high school, and that was completely fine. It was not the end of the world, I learned. And right now I'm doing an honours year, so now this is actually my 6th year in undergrad because I love it so much. So for the classes for both of the degrees that I did, they were very different. So the classes for my arts degree was a very typical kind of university style. So you'll go to a big lecture hall and you'll listen for 2 hours and then you'll do a tutorial after that. And you also get that time in the studio to make what you're making. Or you can go down and use the woodwork room, the metal work room. You go to hire a video camera and go and shoot some things. You get that kind of hands-on experience. I know that people with UNSW on their resume are more likely to get jobs, which was a big part of choosing something like this, because the outcome at the end of the day is you want somewhere to work in that you like.
Okay, so I finished all of my studies today, which was good. It's a big day. And I think I need to celebrate a little bit because I've done such hard work. So I'm gonna go and socialize with my friends. Hi, we're here with all our friends that we've all made through art, right? Painter and the art scene.
There's these lots of fun support things that UNSW actually have for students, including also gallery spaces that you can hire, like the AD space at UNSW Art and Design, which is a giant gallery. So it's the biggest gallery I've ever installed in. And having somewhere like that to put your artwork in that's free for students to use is also amazing for your portfolio. So the New Colombo Plan scholarships were pretty amazing what they do offer. So I got to go and travel while I was in Hong Kong. I went and traveled through China and came back. But that was the funnest thing I ever think I'd done, because it was like going on a school vacation, but you're an adult, so you can kind of do what you want. I had one of the best trips of my life over there. Right now I'm handing in one big thesis is about happiness and labour and how we can start to value labour. I would potentially like to make an impact into understanding ways that we can retain the ability to have these emotional expressions and all of these things that make us human, regardless of going to a workplace or participating within a society, within economic structures and things like that. As an artist, you get to consider the society that you're living within, and you can respond to that in emotional ways. You can express how you're feeling within inside of it. You can highlight causes that you are interested in. There's just so many applications for art and artists right now.